Hi everyone, it's Deb. This is a call for collaborators. I am wanting to host a collaboration next year, similar to what Paige and I do, Stamp Girl, at the end of each month where we're working through 12 by 12 paper pads. I'd like this one to be, I'm going to call it crunch or crash your small. Smash your small paper pads, and I'm not going to leave it just to 6 by 6. It could be 8 by 8. It could be those paper stacks like you get at Paper Studio at Hobby Lobby. It could be what's that new size, like the A4 size, anything but 12 by 12 basically. And it could be a collection, like for example, I got this 6 by 6 just in a haul video that's going up before this video. And it has matching ephemera, so, you know, using up things from your stash. What I'd like to do is first find out who all is interested. I have one person interested so far from my Facebook post, who is Stamp Girl. And what I'd like to do is post on the 25th of each month, and probably I'll say, to help our West Coast folks and everything, although you can schedule videos, you know, so it shouldn't be too hard. But let's see, why don't we make it 10 a.m. Eastern? That way, if I'm running behind, I might have a shot at still getting mine up that day. 10 a.m. Eastern, whether it's daylight savings time or not daylight savings time or whatever. 10 a.m. Eastern, whatever time that is your time. Open international. It's not a challenge or anything, so anybody can join. It's just a collaboration to try and use up some of our paper. Now I have two like sweater box type things full of 6 by 6 and other small paper pads. Not to mention, I believe I have some collections in file folders that are smaller paper pads also. I seem to very explicitly remember backyard table from Michaels. Yeah, I have, I think, 3 of those paper pads with matching everything. So there are quite a number of paper pads that I'd like to work through. This one I might have to hoard for a little while. But I have some older ones, and it's time they just get used up. And I had already de-stashed some, so now it's time to work through what I have. So please put your information, your email, where I can contact you down in the comments below if you're interested in joining. And then what I'd like to do is maybe say by the end of November, I will email everyone that's interested, do a final, are you sure you still want to do this? And then we will start in 2020, and I would like it to go for the whole year. So if you can commit to a whole year of smash your small paper pads collaboration with me, I would love to have you join the team. I'm gonna run it sort of like, you know, I'll come with a thumbnail. I would like you to use that thumbnail in your videos, and I'll come up with like a title wording, and then of course I'll have the list of links for everyone to do, to use, to so people can hop from video to video. So if you're interested in Smash Your Small Paper Pads starting on the 25th of January, but finalizing the hopefully the list of participants on or by December 1, by or on, I guess I should say December 1, please let me know as soon as possible, and I'll collect all that information. So I'll email you if you put your email down below, because my email box is like overflowing right now. If you put your email down below, I will contact you and say I got it, you're added to the list, and then I'll do a group email on or about December 1st, just to make sure everybody's still on board with all the information. And you can pick the way we'll do it, just like Paige and I do. We work through one paper pad or collection first. You don't have to finish it each month. So I think it would be a good idea if we do, but if you need to take 2 months, for example, to finish a paper pad, that's fine. If you need to take 3 months, that's fine. And then as soon as you finish that one, then you start on another one. That's how it'll work. So you don't get 12 months to finish one paper pad. You work through as quickly as you can, but I'm not setting you have to finish a paper pad a month, okay? It's going to be work through it, and you know, if it takes you 5 months, it's okay. But just commit to, as soon as that one's done, pick another one and start on that and keep going through the year. I would love to do that, and I think what I'd like to do too is once we have the participants, if I get enough participants, I'd like to have at least 10 people interested in doing this, because it makes it more fun, and it's very inspirational also to see what everybody else creates and what the different paper pads are that people pick, because I'm not specifying, you know, use what you have. All right, guys, that's it for now. Like I said, let me know down in the comments if you're interested, and leave me your email so that I can get a hold of you. Thank you very much. Have a great day.